What if I told you that the thing you've been taught to dream about, work hard for, and even sacrifice your life's freedom for, is actually the biggest scam holding you back from wealth? And no, I'm not talking about your 9-to-5 job. I'm talking about your mortgage. Yes, your mortgage. The so-called American dream might just be your biggest financial nightmare. Intrigued? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this is happening and what to do instead. The trap of the mortgage dream. Now, let's rewind. At some point, someone told you, owning a home is the ultimate sign of success. But did they ever tell you about the decades of debt that come with it? Or that by the time you've paid off that dream home, you've likely paid 2 to 3 times its original price? Basically, you're buying the same house 3 times over. Imagine going to a restaurant, ordering 1 burger, and the waiter says, "Great, here's your tab for 3. Would you still feel like you're winning? Here is the evidence. In his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki describes a home as a liability, not an asset. Why? Because it's not putting money in your pocket. It's taking it out, every month, for years, while you're tied down to a job to keep up with those payments. Think about this. Every dollar you pay in interest to the bank is a dollar you could have invested in your future. How much is your time and financial freedom worth? The reality behind the scam. Here's where it gets wild. The system is rigged. Banks love mortgages because they lock you into a long-term relationship. They profit while you sacrifice, but you don't have to play their game. Evidence. Grant Cardone, a self-made millionaire, openly says he'd never buy a home. He argues that tying up your capital in a property limits your ability to invest in opportunities that grow your wealth exponentially. But wait, what if I told you there's an even bigger reason why mortgages hold you back? One that isn't just about money, but your entire mindset. How to break free and build wealth. So here's the truth they don't want you to know. Every dollar locked in your mortgage is a dollar you can't use to invest in assets that multiply your income. The wealthy? They use their money to make more money, not to buy liabilities. Solution. Instead of a mortgage, consider renting while investing in index funds, starting a side hustle, or buying income-generating properties. As the millionaire next door highlights, wealth isn't about owning flashy things. It's about controlling your financial destiny. Think of it like this. Would you rather be the landlord collecting rent or the tenant tied to a never-ending bill? But where do you even begin to break free and start building wealth? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In fact, I've made a step-by-step video called 7 Proven Steps to Be Wealthy in 2025. It's packed with actionable strategies that you can start using today. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in the mortgage trap or take control of your financial future. Don't let a system designed to profit off you win. You're smarter than that, and your future self deserves better. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on mortgages and financial freedom, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to FinZest for more game-changing insights. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update that could transform your wealth journey. Watch my video on the 7 proven steps to be wealthy in 2025 and take the first step toward freedom. Let's build your wealth together.